Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by isolating the machine, disconnect internet and unplug external drives so the shortcut virus can't spread. Once done, enable view of hidden and system files and disable auto run. This exposes cloaked folders. Run a quick scan with Windows Defender or Malwarebytes to identify infected shortcuts and suspicious auto run entries. I'm telling you why. Infections hide real folders and replace them with shortcuts, so revealing and scanning first prevents accidental execution while you prepare targeted cleanup steps. You'll now restore and remove the active components. Open an elevated command prompt and run attrib hrs/s/dx \***. Asterisk on each affected drive to unhide real files. This reverses the shortcut cloak. Next, delete suspicious lnk, vbs, and bat files in roots and the startup folder. These are the scripts that relaunch malware. Once done, use Process Explorer to find and stop lingering malicious processes tied to those scripts. Because killing processes prevents reinfection, you finish by completing a deep cleanup. Run a full antivirus plus Malwarebytes deep scan and quarantine anything found. Then, make sure to inspect Task Scheduler, startup items, and registry autoruns with autoruns or msconfig to remove leftover entries. This is why both scans and manual checks are necessary, because some shortcuts recreate registry keys. If files are missing or corrupted, restore from backups and only reconnect external drives once the system is fully clean. If things go wrong, run a rescue USB scan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.